So here it is at the Sandblasters. Just loaded it on the back of the low loader. And there's actually some left. I'm impressed. Big thanks to Dave from DW Recovery. Dave, what do you think?
There's bits of it left.
There's bits of it left.
It's not too bad actually, is it?
I'm quite impressed. So yeah, if you need any recovery in the Kent area, this guy's your man. Anyway, we'll do another video, a bit more in depth once I get it back and get it in the barn. Unloading a Fiat 500. Drag this onto that concrete now. Lovely. Yeah. Well, I'll just switch the camera off. We're done. Hi, as you can see, the Fiat 500 is now back in all of its sandblasted and undercoated glory, complete with a few holes here and there. Not too bad. Sorry it's taken so long. It's now Friday. I got the Fiat back on Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday were pretty busy and terrible weather, so decided against it. And now the weather's beautiful. So I hope everybody at Download Festival is drying out a bit. And also everyone at Scallywag Festival this weekend in Bath. Have a great time. I wish I could be there, but I can't really play because of this. Anyway, so let's have a closer look and see what's left of the Fiat. Okay, so I now have a gimbal. So we should have no more shaky camera work, which would be nice. So let's have a look. Here we go, Fiat 500. As you can see, the passenger side sill is fairly bad. And yeah, that is, if I zoom in, that is expanding foam, you can see. But you know, we knew this is nothing new. So that sill needs to be done, as you can see all the way along. If I go to the rear, yeah, the rear arch is not that good either. But again, that can probably be patched looking at it. The parts, as I said, are really cheap. The whole sill is about £30, so that's pretty good. I can get this front connecting section that goes from the sill to the wheel arch, they're £15. And because everything's just, you know, tack welded in, it's just a case of drilling out the welds and removing. This front, again, if I can move out the shadow, front passenger wheel arch is not that pretty. And this is, so yeah, basically the front wings are both going to come off and new front wings will go on. So that's not the end of the world. Let's go up. So yeah, let's have a little overview. So the rear passenger, that can probably be patched looking at it. But as I say, all these parts are easily available, all cheap. Can't really see the wheel, the engine bay that well, but that's really clean. Oh, it's just adjusted, that's good, there you can. There's one hole there, you can just see some light through, which I'll just make a plate up for that, simple. Okay, driver's side. There's quite a big hole which pretty much matches the passenger side. Again, I think this whole quarter panel will probably end up coming off, mainly because of this. But again, you know, I knew that was there, so I can't really complain too much. The arch itself, yep, same again. The inner arches don't look too bad, which is a bit of a relief. There's one hole in here, which you can just see there. Inner sills, if we look across, watch the door. I currently got doors and bonnet and everything. Yeah, inner sill not great either. As you can see the light coming through. A little bit on an inner arch there. That can easily be sorted out. Okay, now we're going to front driver's side wing. I'm going to replace both the wings, so that's not really an issue either. It's a little bit on this panel, but overall it's not bad really. So I'm actually quite pleased, to be honest. So yeah, let's look at the front end. The front is fine, apart from this section here, which they decided to just pop rivet on, so I'll remove that and obviously properly weld that in place, but the panel itself seems okay. Again, wings are going, so that's no big deal. They're not very costly. Doors are okay, bonnet looks good. The rear valance, which you can just see here, there's quite a lot of lead work here, which must be a really old repair, but you know, it is what it is as a car from 1971. As you can see over there, inner sill, yeah, that's not great either, but that can probably, you know, like I say, all these parts are available and they're all pretty cheap. There's the hole on the rear firewall. That's just going to be plated. I'll just cut that out, square it off and plate it. Roof's all good, so that's good. Sorry about the glare, it's quite bright. So yeah, overall, it's not looking too bad. Let me know what you think. Maybe you think I'm completely mad. I did myself actually when I got this back. I started to think, yeah, this is a massive project. But now I've got it, it's not too bad. So there you have it. A nice overview of the Fiat, having come back from Underdowns. They did a really good job, I've got to say. Their turnaround, it was like 3 days, which is, you know, it's ridiculous. They've also done, so they've shot blasted underneath the car, inside, obviously the outside, the engine bay, everything. I'll see if I can get a shot from underneath. You can just about make that out, I think. So you can see there some mounts and stuff that have all been done. And it all looks really good. Actually, this arch looks quite good. By good, I mean not rusty and full of holes. In my world, that's good. So yeah, I'm moderately happy with that. Okay, so that's where we're up to now with the Fiat 500. Shot blasted, undercoated, looking much better. Yeah, it's a long way from where I started, like, what, 3 months ago, with a running, driving car. But yeah, it's going to be lovely when it's finished. The next thing on the list is to remove the wings, because they're just rubbish. And even this patch down here is all going to go. As I said before, this sill is just pop riveted over the old sill, so that's going to be some more investigation. I'll probably get that off tomorrow and I'll film that. And then yeah, it's time to weld. I'm not a welder, I'm not even a mechanic. All my knowledge of mechanics has come from breaking down and running old cars and basically having no money, so having to fix them. I've done a little bit of welding before. I welded the seats into the T25 Volkswagen that is in video 2, I think it was. Apart from that, that's about it. However, I have lots of good friends who are going to come and help me, who are good welders. This is the great thing about the classic car world. It's full of nice people that don't mind coming and helping you on their weekends off, which is useful. So yeah, like I say, first step, definitely be front wings. They've got to go. And this front panel that I said is pop riveted on, that needs to be welded on properly. And basically we'll just work our way backwards. I'm not sure, as I say, I'm not sure whether this quarter panel will be completely removed or whether we'll patch a big hole there. I don't know. Should find out. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope it's been interesting, or at least mildly amusing. Yeah, if you've got any comments, leave me a comment, I'll get back to you. If you've got any suggestions of things you'd like to see me do with the Fiat 500, you know, certain bits of restoration you want to see done, let me know and I'll try and do a video on it. As I say, it's going to be, you know, a fair few months before this is done. And yeah, it's going to be good, it's going to be cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. Next video up will be something completely different. Yeah, so wait and see. Anyway, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Thanks very much, this is Brassic Classics. Enjoy. One quick thing I forgot to say, if anyone has any suggestions on where to get good quality replacement panels, as I said, I need wings, I need sills, rear quarter. Yeah, if you have suggestions of good quality products, let me know. Also, on another note, when you're filming yourself, try not to film yourself with the sun directly in your face, because it'll make your face look really, really shiny. Anyway, on that note, enjoy. Thanks very much. This is Brassic Classics. Bye bye.